In front of me is Honor 200 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. Begin by accessing Themes app. Then select Themes at the top, click on one of those options at the bottom, or just click on the search bar and type in wherever you want to. Either way, after locating a perfect theme, you need to click on it, tap on Download, hit Apply, and as you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, go into Settings, tap on Home Screen and Style, then select Themes over here, click on one of your default ones and apply it by hitting Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!